Hello and welcome back. In this lecture, we will be learning about service level agreements, in short SLAs. With Microsoft Azure, you do have the service level agreements, and it actually represents the uptime is guaranteed, but not for the performance or bandwidth or the feature availability within Microsoft SLAs. So SLAs are understand that they guarantee, and they don't guarantee the formulas that we can use to calculate uptime and downtime. The first thing to keep in mind is that the only thing uh, that's guaranteed is the Azure uptime, not the performance or bandwidth or features availability. So SLAs are not guaranteed or guaranteeing performance or bandwidth or availability of certain features. So they only guaranteeing that each product of services up, and they guarantee it is that they express uptime as a percentage of the total time in month, completely in a month, and that performance of the uptime is what is guaranteed for each product. So now if an incident ever happens that causes the uptime to fall below what's guaranteed by the SLAs, then you're entitled to get a credit towards your monthly service fees because of that. A guaranteed monthly uptime percentage is usually measured something like 99.9 or 99.95 in terms of the percentage, but there is a formula for that to calculate. So the percentage of the formula is you need to calculate total monthly uptime that's equivalent to maximum available in minutes minus downtime divided by maximum available minutes into 100. So let's calculate that formula. Let's take you have here the formula. So maximum available minutes are, let's take 100 minutes, and after that there could be a 10 minutes was the downtime example. So I'll just minus with 10. So you got the 90. Now whatever the value you are getting of the 90 is divided by total available times. So in this case total available was 100. So you would be getting 0.9 percentage. Again, that is into 100. So I'll just have to multiply with 100. So that's a 90 percentage which is available time. So that's how Microsoft is calculating. So we're down about the 10 minutes and up for the 90 minutes. So we have a 90 percentage of the uptime what we got. So that's just kind of a quick example on how formula works. The maximum minutes actually downtime divided by the maximum minutes. That's the times of 100. So again, to kind of summarize what the service level agreements is really a guaranteeing is just uptime of the product expressed as a percentage of the total time per month that the service is guaranteed up to date. And if fall below that, you're entitled for a credit. So when I say credit, let's say let me show you this example here. So this is the service level legal documentation, and this is where it talks about all the Microsoft products and their SLA. So it's not for all the products as the same as a SLA. Let's say if you maybe using the Azure bot services, it would be different SLAs, and if you use the blockchain or maybe DevOps or other products, it would be completely different service levels. So let me show you here one of the Active Directory specific, it is actually 99.9. But whereas if you just go down and check for other things like Azure Firewall, they're going to give you a guarantee of 99.95. So for every product, it is not the same. Now let's understand about, in case if something goes wrong, how Microsoft is giving you back as a credit. So let's take as example in this case Azure Active Directory. Unfortunately, this can't go down, but let's assume that you have a downtime. So then they will be calculating with that formula which we have already explained in the few minutes back. And now if anything is there, so you're getting, actually if it is a 99.9 percentage, you are getting the service credit of 25 percentage. That means there's a 25 percentage of total usage of the billing cost would be come back to you as a credit. And if they are there's a downtime or only like 1% was a downtime, which is a 50%, you are getting back that credit. And if it is a 95%, you get the 100% of the credit back. That's how they calculate, and that's a legal service what Microsoft is offering to you. So this way you can calculate and you can check out for each product. I hope this explains about the legal services for SLA within the Microsoft Azure, as well as how to calculate and the better of the credit policies, how they are going to give you off with the credit policies within the each product. And as you remember that every product has their own SLAs. Talk about the uptime, and that is also in a percentage. If Microsoft is not able to offer that, they are going to give you back as in terms of the servicing credit. I hope this is useful for you. Thank you for watching this.